Hey, it's Steve Jaffe. Pay attention. In this short video, you're going to learn how to become a top producer in any direct sales, party plan, or network marketing opportunity using the internet without doing home meetings, without recruiting friends and family, without prospecting strangers. Same formula that I used to go from ground zero to become a top producer, hit $30,000 months, take my business beyond that. Going to start the training in just a moment. At any point, click the link below this video, enter your email address, get my 10-day attraction marketing formula video bootcamp, one training video per day over the next 10 days, how to generate leads, how to recruit reps online, how to build a very successful business. You'll get ongoing trainings from me thereafter. Right on that page after you enter your email address, be sure to download the Attraction Marketing Formula ebook. This is the blueprint in more detail than I can get to in a video or video series, how I went from ground zero to hitting $30,000 months. Unbelievably valuable content. The author, Fernie Ceballos, MIT graduate, 8-figure income earner. The guy's a marketing genius. Get this guide. It is absolutely the best training for network marketers in the industry, hands down. Get your hands on this guide. Let's start the training. Step 1, build a list. Build a list. By build a list, I mean a list of leads. Generate leads online. You're going to run out of friends and family to talk to about your opportunity. You're going to run out of people to invite to your home parties and home meetings. Home parties, home meetings are a very, very challenging path. I have done them myself. What you'll find is when you bring people to your meeting, very few of those people are going to want to do home meetings themselves. You end up running around doing meetings for your team, investing a lot of your weekday evening time to do so. You're trading time for money, and it often leads to burnout. I've seen that pattern over and over again. When you've got your own list of leads that you're generating on a constant basis, you always have people to introduce your opportunity to introduce your products to. More than that, your list is an asset. If you decide to change companies for any reason, you can't take your team with you. That's forbidden by your company. But when you've got your own list of leads, you can market your next opportunity to your list and have an organization like that. So powerful. Step 2, warm your list. Warm your list. People only buy from those they feel like they know, like, and trust. You cannot just generate leads and then pitch your opportunity, pitch your products right away. That's not going to work. Cultivate trust in advance of asking for the sale by sending out short business tips that help people grow their business. Blog posts, live streams, videos, emails, whatever's the right format for you. All you need to do is summarize a little bit that you have learned elsewhere from a training or a webinar or a conference call or an event that you attended or a course you went through. Just keep it simple and be the messenger. Think of any teacher you had, high school, elementary school, college, doesn't matter. They didn't write the textbook, right? All they did was summarize. It's all you need to do. Just be the messenger, and you'll build a very, very warm list. They will see you as a trusted guide. You move on to step 3, sell to your list. Introduce them to your opportunity, introduce them to your products. Very easy and straightforward to recruit and sell using this strategy. This is how I recruited over 220 people into my opportunity. So powerful. Got a whole lot more for you. Click the link below this video, enter your email address, get my 10-day attraction marketing formula video bootcamp, one video per day over the next 10 days, how to generate leads online, how to recruit reps online, how to build a very successful business. You'll get ongoing trainings from me thereafter, as I mentioned. Right on that page after you enter your email address, be sure to download the Attraction Marketing Formula ebook. Once again, this is the best training in the industry, hands down, for direct sales professionals. The author, Fernie Ceballos, mentor of mine. This is the blueprint I followed to go from ground zero to hit $30,000 months, as I mentioned. This guy is a straight-up marketing genius, okay? This guide is incredibly valuable. Get your hands on it. Click the link, enter your email address, get trained.